welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. India's Union Budget 2026 has left crypto taxation exactly as it is. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman did not mention cryptocurrencies or virtual digital assets in her budget speech, confirming that the existing 30% tax on crypto gains and 1% TDS on transactions will continue. So the government has chosen to prioritize enforcement, and new penalty rules under the Income Tax Act will apply from April 1, 2026, including fines for delayed or incorrect crypto reporting. And while equity markets received clear tax updates, crypto policy remained unchanged, signaling continuity but tighter compliance ahead. BitMine Immersion, chaired by Tom Lee, is facing deep paper losses after its aggressive bet on Ether moved sharply against it during the latest crypto market downturn. The company's Ether-heavy treasury strategy has come under renewed scrutiny as prices continue to slide. Now, according to tracking data, BitMine added more than 40,000 Ethereum last week, taking its total holdings to around 4.24 million Ether. And soon after, the broader crypto market weakened, pushing Ether down towards the $2,300 level. And as a result, the value of BitMine's ETH stash has dropped to roughly $9.6 billion from nearly $14 billion at October highs, translating into losses over $6 billion on paper. US Senator Elizabeth Warren has called for a congressional investigation into a major foreign investment in World Liberty Financial, a crypto firm linked to President Donald Trump. Warren claims the deal raises serious conflict of interest concerns. And a Wall Street Journal report revealed that a UAE-based entity acquired a 49% stake in World Liberty Financial for $500 million just days before Trump assumed office. The entity is linked to Sheikh Tahnoon bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the UAE's national security advisor. The agreement was signed by Eric Trump, generating substantial proceeds for Trump-linked businesses. Strategy, the company best known for its massive Bitcoin holdings, has raised the dividend on its preferred stock stretch as the security continues to trade slightly below par value. And Executive Chairman Michael Saylor announced the move on social media. The firm increased STRC dividend rate by 25 basis points to 11.25% for February. This marks the sixth dividend hike since the preferred stock began trading in July 2025. Now, Strategy describes STRC as a short-duration, high-yield savings-style instrument that pays monthly cash distributions. Solana-based decentralized exchange Jupiter has announced plans to integrate Polymarket into its platform, marking Polymarket's first expansion onto the Solana network. The move positions Jupiter as a broader on-chain predictions hub. Now, Jupiter said users will soon be able to trade prediction markets directly on its platform alongside existing on-chain products. So the announcement was paired with news of a $35 million strategic investment from Parafy Capital aimed at accelerating Jupiter's on-chain financial infrastructure. The deal will be settled entirely in JUP USD at spot prices, with Parafy agreeing to an extended token lockup. The US Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control has sanctioned two UK-registered crypto exchanges for allegedly helping Iran bypass international sanctions. The action marks the first time digital asset exchanges have been penalized specifically for Iran-related activity. OFAC designated ZSEX Exchange Limited and Zetsian Exchange Limited, accusing them of processing transactions tied to Iran's financial system and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. So, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Iran is increasingly using digital assets to move funds covertly. And on-chain data suggests ZSEX processed billions of dollars in transactions and interacted with sanctioned entities. Layer 1 blockchain Story Protocol has postponed a major token unlock by 6 months as concerns grow over weak usage and potential selling pressure. The project said delay is meant to protect long-term ecosystem health. And under the revised plan, locked team and investor tokens will now begin unlocking in August 2026 instead of February. The story stressed that total supply and ownership terms remain unchanged, with only the release timing adjusted through automated smart contracts. The IP token currently trades around $1.45, down more than 30% over the past month, reflecting broader market stress. Hong Kong is moving closer to launching its regulated stablecoin regime, with initial licenses expected by March 2026. The update was shared by Eddie Yu, head of Hong Kong Monetary Authority, and the stablecoin ordinance took effect in August 2025, prompting strong interest from the industry. So far, 36 institutions have applied for licenses. Regulators are now closely reviewing applications, focusing on risk management, reserve backing, and real-world use cases. So Yu cautioned that only a limited number of licenses may be issued initially due to strict standards. Crypto-related thefts surged sharply in January, with hackers and scammers stealing over $370 million worth of digital assets, according to blockchain security firm Certic. This marks the highest monthly loss in nearly a year and is almost 4 times higher than the amount stolen in Jan last year. Well, Certic reported that 40 exploit and scam incidents occurred during the month. So a single social engineering scam accounted for the bulk of losses, with one victim losing around $284 million. So phishing attacks were the biggest driver overall, responsible for more than $311 million in stolen funds. Japan's largest wealth manager, Nomura, has reduced its exposure to cryptocurrencies after recent market turbulence hurt short-term profits. The firm manages about 153 trillion yen in assets and said the move is aimed at controlling volatility rather than exiting crypto altogether. So Nomura's Chief Financial Officer Hiroyuki Moruchi confirmed that the company trimmed crypto positions at its European digital asset arm, Laser Digital Holdings, and the unit reportedly posted losses of around 10.6 billion yen in the third quarter of 2025 amid sharp market swings. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3orstv.com or scan the QR code.